Becoming a blockchain developer involves acquiring a combination of technical skills, knowledge of blockchain technologies, and practical experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you become a blockchain developer. Understand the basics. Learn the fundamentals of blockchain technology, including how it works, consensus mechanisms, cryptography, and decentralized applications (dApps). Acquire programming skills. Focus on learning programming languages commonly used in blockchain development, such as Solidity, used for Ethereum smart contracts; JavaScript/Node.js, common for building decentralized applications; Python, useful for various blockchain platforms and tools; C++, widely used in blockchain protocol development. Study data structures and algorithms. A strong foundation in data structures and algorithms is essential for efficient blockchain development. Explore blockchain platforms. Get hands-on experience with popular blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Hyperledger, and others. Each has its own set of tools, languages, and development environments. Learn smart contract development. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. Focus on understanding and developing smart contracts using languages like Solidity. Master Web3 development. Web3.js for JavaScript and Web3.py for Python are libraries that allow you to interact with Ethereum and other blockchain networks. Learn how to build decentralized applications that communicate with the blockchain. Explore decentralized storage. Understand decentralized storage solutions like IPFS, interplanetary file system, as they are often used in conjunction with blockchain. Understand cryptography. Cryptography is at the core of blockchain technology. Learn about cryptographic algorithms, hashing, digital signatures, and encryption used in blockchain systems. Follow blockchain news and trends. Stay updated on the latest developments in the blockchain space, as technologies and best practices evolve rapidly. Join blockchain communities. Engage with the blockchain community through forums, social media, and local meetups. Networking with other developers can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Build your portfolio. Create your own projects or contribute to existing open-source blockchain projects. Having a strong portfolio demonstrates your skills to potential employers. Consider formal education. While self-learning is possible, formal education programs or online courses focused on blockchain development can provide structured learning paths and certifications. Participate in hackathons. Hackathons are great for gaining practical experience, showcasing your skills, and connecting with professionals in the field. Seek internships and entry-level positions. Apply for internships or entry-level positions in blockchain development to gain real-world experience and exposure to industry practices. Remember, becoming proficient in blockchain development takes time and continuous learning. Stay curious, practice regularly, and keep up with the latest advancements in the blockchain space.